Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp as a small business owner. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So the ClickUp organizes your business, like setting this up correctly from day one prevents your workspace from becoming cluttered. So we have right here our workspace, as you can see, with your entire company name. Then right here on the left side, you will see under the home these inboxes, replies, and down here you will have spaces. So right here you can always add new space. So for example, we can put in right here, for example, marketing. Then you put in some description and make it private for now and continue. Okay, define your workflow. Uh, so let's take something like that and create progress, and now we have it here, this marketing space. You can add bunch of those spaces, so like client work, operations, sales, and so on. Then what we have some folders, lists. So if we go here to personal lists, we can add here to do, in progress, complete, task type. We can set it up how we want it. We can also use fill with AI. And for the last one here, we have tasks, which is assigned to me. So we can create a task right here. We can put a name. We can add a description and yeah, some priorities, tags, uh, subtask, and so on. Now, yeah, we can also use pre-built templates. So hover over your project or space sidebar on the left. Click the three dots next to the space or list at the selected template. So like here, we have these space settings. And so what we can do to get those templates is create a space right here as before, but down here at the bottom left of this pop-up window, you will see use templates. So if you click on that, you will see here what you can use, or you can search for those templates right over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of them to use. All right, so yeah, it's pretty simple. So let's say we will use that one. Okay, use template, our space name. Okay, just use it. Okay, so now if you don't have it, pro version, then you will need to find one template that it's free. But also if you have this paid version, free version, you can just do it simply just like that. All right. And yeah, basically here what you need to do is just be simply organized. So make spaces for every niche that you have in your company. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.